Have you ever wished your English video could speak Hindi without re-recording or chasing a voice artist? Today, I will show you how to make your AI speak Hindi in just 2 minutes. No mic, no retake, no studio drama. Welcome to NIIT ElevenLabs, where we make AI do the heavy lifting while you enjoy your coffee break. So, the star of today's video is ElevenLab. It's free to start, sound human, and never ask for one more take. Let's just quickly jump into the sign up part. And to sign up, you can just see on your right side of window, log in and sign up. Let's click on sign up button and sign up with Google. And I'm in. After signing in on ElevenLabs, you can see multiple features like instant speech, ElevenLab agent, sound effects, dub video, translation. But for today, our main focus is to give my English script a Hindi touch. And for that, we need to go to text to speech playground. So after coming here, you can just copy your script and paste it here. But there is a catch. This tool cannot translate by itself. It's talented, not bilingual. So first, let's ask ChatGPT to do the translation for us. So let's just quickly go to ChatGPT and write a small prompt to him. Hi ChatGPT, I want you to translate this script in Hindi. And let me just quickly copy the script and paste it here. And that's it. The ChatGPT will do the translation for us, and ElevenLabs will convert it into a voice. Let us quickly copy this translated script and paste it to ElevenLab. After getting the desired script, let's just quickly go to ElevenLab. This script can be anything: vlog intro, brand promo, even your favorite character monologue. AI don't judge, no matter how dramatic you get. Now comes the fun part, choosing the best voice for our script. ElevenLab have thousands of voices to choose from. Let us just quickly go to voice section and right here, Hindi. And you can see thousands of video you can take it from.
तो दोस्तों आई एम अभी और मैं हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों में बात कर सकता हूँ.
Let me just quickly review some of them to find the best voice for our script.
तो दोस्तों आई एम अभी और मैं हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों में बात कर सकता हूँ, प्रोवाइडिंग अ परफेक्ट वॉइस फॉर कंटेंट एंड कम्युनिकेशन. आई एम गौरव और मैं हेलो, मैं हूं देव और मैं हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों में बात.
I like Abhi voice more. Let me just quickly add it to my voice section, and to do that, just click on the voice, and that's it. So now, after finding the best voice for our script, let us quickly scroll down and we will see voice setting here. We can manage the speed here, how much fast I want the voice to speak, how much stability I want, how much similarity I want from voice to script. That's all. So now, after getting the script and the voice matching to it, let us quickly hit generate speech to get the final result.
अजीब है ना याद किया जाना उस कहानी से जो खत्म होने से पहले ही डूब गई थी. 100 साल बाद भी लोग अब भी उस रात की बातें करते हैं, अब भी पानी में बाकी हो. पर अब साल 2025 है, उन्होंने टाइटैनिक को फिर से बनाया है.
This audio clip worked for me. Let us quickly download it so that I can use it on my personal video. To download it, you can see on the right side there is a download icon. Just click it and done. 2 minutes, zero stress and full creator mode. Now, let's just one of the feature of ElevenLab. And here comes the best part. Remember in the beginning of the video, I said ElevenLab can also clone your voice. Let's test that out. And for that, I will go to the home section and scroll a little bit down. You will see 3 options here. Voice design, where we can create an entirely new voice by just choosing a single prompt and some accent like Abel Ogre, Little Mouse, Southern Woman, Movie Trailer Voice, anything. Then I will click on clone your voice button to create a digital clone of my voice. Then we have 3 options here. The first one is voice design, where we can design an entirely new voice from just choosing a single prompt template and some accent. It takes less than a minute. And then we have instant voice clone, where we can clone our own voice using just 10 seconds of audio clip. Let me just click on it. And here is the interface. We have upload tab here where we can upload my own voice. It needs to be at least 10 seconds so that the AI can capture your accent, your voice pitch. And there are some instructions also like avoid noisy environments, check mic quality and use a consistent equipment for better results. And the best part, you can also use phone recorder to record your voice and submit it here. Now let's just quickly upload our 10-second voice clip to ElevenLab. I will click on it and upload my own 10-second voice. Then ElevenLab also gives us an option to remove the background noise for audio recording so that the voice can be crisp and clear. Now let me just quickly click on next button. Then after that we have to write a general information like the name of the voice. Let me just write my own name and the language I am speaking, which is English, and some description. If you want, you can write it. Then click on a confirmation button. It's just a normal necessary rights and consent to upload your own voice. Then we click on save voice button. And after that, the ElevenLab gives us some options to test drive our new voice clone, like generate speech, where we can take a new clone for a test drive with text to speech option, and we can also create an ElevenLab agent using our own voice clone. And after that, we can also create a story and narrate it using our own voice clone using Studio. But for now, let's just skip this part and click on skip button to go forward. And finally, our very own voice clone is here. Let's take it to test drive by clicking here. And we'll write something like, "Hey everyone, my name is Mukul, and this AI voice clone is such a time saver while making AI voiceover." And again, we will control the speed here. Let's take it to 0.92 and the stability. I will keep it to 50. And while using voice clone, this option is very important. Similarity helps us to control how much similar we want the voice clone to speak like us. We will keep it to around 85 and we hit generate speech.
Hey everyone, my name is Mukul, and this AI voice clone is such a time saver while making AI voiceover.
And here is the audio clip made entirely by AI but sound exactly like how I speak. It catches all the small features of voice, including voice nuances and pitch. And ElevenLab doesn't stop only here. There is one big update in ElevenLab, which is AI Studio, where we can create an AI-powered complete voiceover like new audiobook, create a podcast, AI script generator. We can create an entirely new video voiceover and add some SFX and music to the video in just minutes. But that's for another time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe and drop your suggestion in comment section what should we cover next. This is NIIT, making learning tech simple and fun. See you in the next one.